Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you a few places in Hong Kong that I haven't really highlighted yet here on the channel. I thought it would be interesting for you just to see a new perspective. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more, and let's get started. So this is Repulse Bay. It's a gorgeous area in the south of Hong Kong Island. There's a boardwalk, as you can see here. Normally, if there weren't restrictions on gatherings, there'd be people on the beach, but it's a really nice, relaxing area. And this is one of my favorite Thai restaurants in Repulse Bay. Showing you the menu. The food is absolutely delicious. If you're ever in Hong Kong, definitely check out this website. I will leave the link to the restaurant in the description box. All the decor, everything about this place was so cute. This was some sort of curry, but it was absolutely delicious. This was beef noodles. Amazing. And of course, dessert. So good. Okay, now we're off to Fashion Walk. I figured I would show you what it's like to ride the tram here. So this is just some, footage of just literally going down the street in the tram. So you may be wondering, what is Fashion Walk? Where are you taking us? So, Fashion Walk is a really posh shopping area in Causeway Bay, Hong Kong. It started off as a creative concept, and even tell just walking down the street, there's so much art and murals everywhere. I've noticed that the window displays are always really thoughtful and creative. It's just a really, creative, inspiring, trendy kind of place to shop. If there's any big releases or new collections that drop, they're dropping in Fashion Walk. It's a really great place to just come and explore, window shop, especially for me, somebody who loves fashion and style. Just even overall, how the streets look, it's so different from other parts of Hong Kong. I really like this area. This is one of my favorite Japanese stores. Look at this window. It's so beautiful. You see stuff like this all the time in the Fashion Walk area. This is a traditional Chinese dinner that we had one night after working out. It was really good. Something that I've been doing a lot lately is going for tea. There's so many amazing places to go and sit and have tea, especially at this one. So this place, this is Five Elements Habitat in Hong Kong. Incredible. I always go here. I'm a member. Just sit and have tea, like one of my favorite things to do in the city. Up next, Korean barbecue. This place is so good. I don't know if you've ever had Korean barbecue. If you get the chance, go. It's so good. I will leave a link in the description to this exact restaurant so you can check it out if you're ever in Hong Kong. But essentially you just put the meat on to cook in front of you. It's just so good. Essentially you just cook the meat in front of you, and there's egg around the side. You put vegetables on. It's just really, really good. Highly recommend trying Korean barbecue at least once in your life. And something that I thought was really cool that they're doing in a lot of restaurants in Hong Kong is like they give you this ticket and you just scan it if you want to order something else. So you don't have to like talk to anyone or look at menus. It's really like, I really enjoyed that. I thought it was really cool. This is the end result. Okay, now we're off to Kennedy Town. This is on the west side of Hong Kong Island. This is a popular sushi chain. We just quickly popped in for some sushi. But what I thought was so cool, look at this little train, because they can't do like they don't do the revolving sushi anymore. So they just send these little things to your table. It's so cute. So that's the tour for today. I hope you enjoyed just seeing maybe a new side to Hong Kong, something I haven't really shown before. There's literally so much in Hong Kong. Like, there's literally so much to do and see in Hong Kong. You know, I really could show you so much, but I hope you're enjoying seeing a few things from my perspective. I wanted to end with this nice another tram tour kind of showing you. So this is in central Hong Kong, very popular area. You see a lot of famous buildings, a lot of taxis, cars. But yeah, you can even see the mountains in the back. Like, Hong Kong is just such a cool city. If nothing else, I hope that this just showing you around inspires you to maybe one day go or to travel. But I hope you enjoyed just seeing Hong Kong a little bit and just life here from my perspective. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.